Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this chicken with gravy. So first of all you need to cut some pieces of onion, like a one onion, fry it, and this is a masala, you can say like a spice of SHAN. Then take like a 2 tablespoon of SHAN masala or SHAN spices or whatever you feel like. It's according to your taste. I prefer like a 2 big tablespoon and then add it to the fried onion. Then just try to fry it a little bit, not that much, like don't fry it like deeply, just a little bit stir fry, you can say it. So once it is fried, just transfer the onions with to a blending machine so that you could make a paste of it. And then with this onion, you need to add some yogurt. So yogurt, yeah, this is a blending machine, and this is like this is yogurt. So it's like a 1 cup of yogurt, but you can add it according to your taste. Like sometimes you need a little bit concentrated form of your gravy, so you can add a little bit more of yogurt. But I prefer to add like a 1 cup of yogurt. Just just blend it, switch it on, and it's blended finally. All right. Now you need to like take some chicken and fry it in oil and then add ginger and garlic paste and then fry it well. So I added like 2 big tablespoons of ginger and garlic. Again, it's according to your taste that how much garlic and ginger you wanna add to your chicken. There you go. I'm trying to like fry the ginger and garlic, and then I also added like the fried onion and yogurt paste to it too. I just fried it well in oil. See, it's fried, and then I'm adding a little bit of water. Again, you can add water according to your own taste. So just stir fry it. Yeah, let it cook. Let the chicken cook. And finally, let it cook for like at least 5 to 10 minutes on slow heat so that the chicken is cooked well and the oil comes on top of it to make a really tasty, colorful gravy out of it. Yeah, you can slow heat for like a 5 to 10 minutes, and finally, we're ready. Woohoo! It was so easy. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you like it, share, and subscribe. Thank you.